Tkinter. One is for the dots game and another is for the quiz. So let us begin with the dots game. So after executing the welcome.py page, we'll get a page saying that continue or register. So if we click on continue, we'll get a login page, and if we click on register, we'll be able to register ourselves. So let us just register ourselves first. So if I give ABCD XYZ, and here it is ABCD 1 2 3 4 5 and mobile number. Okay. So after getting registered, we'll be able to see here that we have registered successfully. It is here. So let us just log in with this credentials. So the username is ABCDXYZ. The password is ABCD12345. So let us just log in. After getting logged in, we'll be able to see a page that will make us play the dots game. After playing this game, we'll get a result as the player 1 wins or the player 2 wins, or it's a tie between 2 players. So this is all about the dots game. And secondly, it is about the quiz game. So the quiz game also says that we need to sign up first to play this game so that we can log in. So all these details are to be filled to get registered, and we cannot submit it without registering it. So as we have already registered, let's go and run this. So firstly, we have used these credentials. Let's go with XYZ123. So it is XYZ123. So after getting logged in, we'll get a page saying welcome to the quiz world. After clicking on the start quiz, we'll be able to play the quiz. So I'm just randomly selecting some answers. At the end, we'll be able to see the answers which were correct. I mean number of answers. Okay, so 3 answers are correct out of 10.